Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way 3-minute series lesson 52A, in which we will learn silent letters or those letters which are not recited. You already know this in Qamari lesson. Fal yawma. You don't recite it as fal yawma. Alright? Fal yawma. Similarly, wal qamar. You don't say it wal qamar. Wal qamar. Similarly, washams. You don't say washams or wal. No. So the point is, when fatha, kasra, dhamma, a, I, u, okay, is followed by sukun like fal or wal, or shadda like washams, then you don't read the letters in between. Like in washams, you don't read alif and don't read lam, because there's no sign, no sound. And the same applies for fil ardi. Okay, so let us repeat once. Fal yawma, wal qamar, والقمر والشمس fil ardi. The same thing applies here. You don't say fil ardi, fil ardi. Kasra followed by sukun. Okay. Alallahi. And also ilal ladhina. So repeat after me. Fil ardi, alallahi, ilal ladhina. Okay, when there is circle on alif, then you don't read. You have nullified it, zeroed it. Afa in. You don't say afa in. Repeat. Afa in. Li shay'in. So as if that alif doesn't exist. Sha with ya. Li shay. Thamuda. Okay. Ana is very special. Don't recite it with alif mad. In general, when it is in between, unless you stop at it, but in general ana comes in between, so you just say ana. Repeat. Ana. After standing fatha, don't read ya or waw. That is in Indo-Pak prints. Like Musa, don't say Musa. Repeat after me. Musa, Isa alayhim salam. As-salata. There is no sign on waw, so you will not say as-salawta. No, salata, as if waw doesn't exist. No sign, no sound. Az-zakata. Similarly, ulaika. Waw has no sign, so don't say ulaika. No. Wa ulul arhami. That's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.